Today I'll let you know how you can create bulk amount of reels with the help of ChatGPT and Canva. With the help of ChatGPT, we have to write a simple prompt like create me 5 sets of astrology facts in the same style below examples, and the format I have mentioned. One column I have mentioned that one column should be the topic and other part should be part 2, which will represent your facts about the astrological part. Also, I have mentioned that there should be astrological facts, zodiac signs, numerology. So I have mentioned everything that I require in my reel so that I can post on Instagram. Once I create the head button, you can see here I will be getting 5 different aspects, 5 different topics. So all I have to do is go to Canva, and I have to tap here Instagram reel. Once I press the hit enter button, you can see a blank one. We can click on the blank one and now we can edit. Once the screen loads, first of all I'll have a proper background set. I want this specific particular background to be there. And now when you go to apps, you can see bulk create option in the discover part. Once you go on bulk create, you will get 2 options, either enter data manually or upload. So I will be entering it manually as it will give me better results. So I can see here is some table, so I have to clear it, and then first I will be copying this part. This works with Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You copy and paste it like this. Now you can see everything is pasted here. Now I press on done. Now I want my text format, so I can adjust it however I like. When I go to text format, I choose this particular text. So I have to name it as topic because I want my reels heading should look like this. So I have done this, and now the other body part I want it to be like this. So I have to write it part 1. I just have to set it. You can increase the size, and you just need to duplicate it and adjust it at a proper distance. Now I have to connect all these with the bulk data creation so that it can create the reels within a fraction of seconds. Now when I type on bulk create, I have to first right click on the topic, click on connect data, and connect topic to topic, part 1 to part 1, and again part 1 to part 2, because it will be the same body. Now when I click on continue and generate 5 designs, you can see it has given me 5 different reels of particular background. Now I just have to adjust the text as I want to. Once I have done this, you can see it will be ready. See, hardly takes a minute to edit one reel. You can add music in behind this, you can add effects, you can add animation, like I am adding this one. So when I play it, you can see here. This is how we can create it in bulk. So all I have to do is just set all these things, which will hardly take 5 minutes, and then my bulk reels are ready. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.